and I did not want him to even talk to me or come near me or even come into my house. And I would try to express myself that I don't want this man in the house. And again, I was shut down and called silly, because he was a priest. He was somebody who was coming in to teach us about Allah, and he was a very good person, and all kinds of things were told to me. But I was constantly saying that he's a dirty man, he's a dirty man, he's a dirty man, don't allow him in, he's dirty, he's dirty. I just could not tolerate him. And they would force us. We would be three, four girls in the house, my cousins, and my grandmother had adopted a couple of children, and we would all sit together to learn the Quran from this man. And I would always sit across from him and as far away from him as possible, because I would constantly be saying that he is dirty and I don't want to learn from him. And I would cry and throw a fit and throw a tantrum, but I was beaten up and made to sit and just learn the Quran, because I had to learn the Quran, that was it. And subsequently, the people in the house and my grandmother and all definitely realized that this man was not a good person, because he was touching the girls, he was rubbing their thighs, and I don't know what else that he was doing, which he was caught. And he was literally beaten up by my own grandmother and thrown out from the house, and he never ever came back to the house. And my one more good thing that I felt it was of the Lord was that my father grew up also in a boarding school. So after he came back from his boarding school after his 10th standard or 12th standard, and he then learnt the Quran eventually. So then he explained to my grandmother, he said that if she's feeling all these things, she's saying this man is dirty and doesn't want to sit and learn the Quran, she's still small, let her be. Later on in life, also, just as I learned, she can learn the Quran later on. So I was spared for those few years that I was in my father's house. I didn't have to sit with these dirty people and learn the Quran. So I went beyond just learning Alif, Be, Te, Say, just the alphabets and a few things more. I never learned anything beyond that. So today I feel like it was really God who was protecting me, and my head was not messed up with all that. And it really, glory to God. I thank Jesus for it.